Hey everyone, we're back with Touring Tuesday. This time we're going to be touring the Lake Mountain Community Subdivision, so let's go take a look. Here we are heading south on Redwood Road. If you've seen my other videos, you know exactly what Redwood Road is. This is the turn into the Lake Mountain Subdivision, so let's go see some houses and I'll tell you more details about this area. This particular subdivision has a wide range of home sizes, from 2,000 square feet all the way to 6,000 square feet. So as we're going through, you can see some of these homes are a little bit smaller or up to really large homes. In the past year, homes in this area have sold for $445,000 up to $1,350,000. As we go through this subdivision, you can see glimpses of Utah Lake as we're seeing it right now and the beautiful mountains. This subdivision has amazing views of Utah Lake and the mountains this direction, and you'll see as we go back towards the west that there are mountains right behind these homes as well. The homes in this subdivision were built in the early 2000s. For this subdivision, lot sizes range from 0.22 to 1.06 acres. Many homes in this subdivision have walkout basements. A lot of the owners of these homes have finished their basements into basement apartments and have rented them out. It's a great option, but if you do decide to rent out your basement, you have to follow the Saratoga Springs rules. Each city has their own rules for rentals and basement apartments. So if you decide to do that, make sure you check the regulations, and I will try to do a video soon on what the Saratoga Springs renting basement rules are. As you can see, there are more mountains. We are going west this time, and these mountains are right behind the houses. You're welcome to go four-wheeling, biking, hiking, exploring into these mountains, and also you get higher up and you can even get a better view of the lake. As we're going down this road, I will point the camera up to the left in just a second to show you the entrance up into those mountains that I just showed you. You will notice they are doing some construction. It is rumored that they are going to be putting brand new homes up in this area. If you've been following Touring Tuesday for a while, you know that there is a brand new elementary school called Harbor Point Elementary. I mentioned it and showed it in my previous videos. It is 1 mile away from this subdivision. This subdivision does not have an HOA, which is pretty rare for Saratoga Springs. So if you're looking for a subdivision that doesn't have HOA, check this community out. This is also the last subdivision, but on the opposite side of Redwood Road. If you saw my Pelican Bay video, you will know that this is the opposite side of the Redwood Road, which is like opposite side of Pelican Bay. So we are on the east side of Redwood Road. This subdivision has 3 parks. It's near the gun range, sand dunes, biking trails, the lake of course, 3.2 miles from the golf course, 6.5 miles to the natural hot springs, and 7.2 miles to grocery stores, shopping, restaurants, and other entertainment. That is it for the Lake Mountain Subdivision. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please let me know if there's anywhere in particular that you are wanting to see. We are headed right back to Redwood Road right here. And I will see you guys next time for Touring Tuesday. Thanks so much for watching.